Hello everyone, my name is Adrenaline, the Bazuka Prophet, and this is a continuation of uh, the part of the part one. This is part two. In part one, we talked about what we call lipoproteins. The lipoproteins are protein molecules that transport fats, and we talked about so many things about them. And we said that we have different kinds of lipoproteins. And we have the first one, we have what we call the chylomicrons, the VLDL, the LDL, the HDL, and we talk about their function. That chylomicrons delivers TAG to the peripheral tissues, while the VLDL delivers de novo TAG to the peripheral tissues, and that the LDL delivers cholesterol to the peripheral tissue, and that the LDL are bad cholesterol in the sense that they are, since they transport cholesterol into the body, they have been cases whereby they are linked to coronary heart disease and sclerosis, which obstruct blood vessels and causes strokes. And in continuation of that part one, for those of you who have not watched it, please do want to watch it. By the way, so many points that we deliver, and that lipoproteins are classified based on their density. So all these are some of the summaries we did in part one. Now, part two is the HDL. Now, HDL are secreted or are produced by two parts, by the liver and by the intestinal cell. But meanwhile, we've talked about that chylomicrons are only synthesized in the intestinal cell, while the VLDL and the LDL are synthesized in the liver. But in the case of HDL, they are secreted by the liver, which is both liver and what now? Intestinal cells. And that HDL are lowest, meaning they have the lowest TAGs and high cholesterol, which is the direct opposite of the chylomicrons, which have high TAG and least or lowest cholesterol. Now, what is the primary function of the HDL? Simple. That the HDL helps to remove excess of cholesterol and thereby carry this excess to the liver, where the liver helps to metabolize it to bile salt. Remember that the VLDL is what transport or delivers the cholesterol into the system, which causes issues for the system. And that the function of this ADL now is to take back this cholesterol that have been produced or that have been delivered by the LDL into the system, in which the HDL will take that cholesterol and take it straight down to the liver, where they have been metabolized to bile salts. And on that note, it is called a good cholesterol. Why? Because of its function. It transports cholesterol back to the liver. Now, other functions of the HDL are as follows. One, said that it picks up lipids from other lipoproteins. Two, it picks up cholesterol, which I've told you before, from cell membrane. Remember that cell membrane is part of the peripheral tissues. When the LDL transport this cholesterol into these cells, like into the cell membrane, into these cells, it is the HDL that will pick this cholesterol from this cell membrane before they will start causing issues, take it to the liver. Number two is that it transfers lipoproteins to what now? Other lipoproteins. Number four, it converts cholesterol to cholesterol via a reaction which we call lecithin cholesterol acid transferase are all located in the HDL. And lastly, it transfers cholesterol esters to other lipoprotein via what we call CETP, which we call cholesterol ester what now transfer what now proteins. Now, there is some basic things that you should know or realize. All right. Now, there are some basic things that you must understand that as the age of an individual progresses, the level of their cholesterol rises and the HDL, which is the high density lipoprotein, will fall. And in such regards, it can become very detrimental at old age. But thank God that there are some things or there are some activities that boost this HDL. One, regular exercises, and taking meals that are devoid of red meat. All these are what increases the level of cholesterol in the body. All right. Now, it will help you to understand. Take note that exercises, that's why most times it is advised for elderly persons to go for exercises for one major reason. It helps to increase their level of HDL, which will help to be taking all those food that contains cholesterol, so that the HDL can transport it to the liver where they are metabolized to bile salts. And on this very note, we are done with this part. My name remains Adrenaline, the Bazuka Prophet. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share. God bless you.